Birds' names start with B. Blue jay, bald eagle, bluebird, Baltimore oriole, barn owl, blackbird, black-capped chickadee, blue heron, Bohemian waxwing, brown pelican, barn swallow, buteo, bulbul, bellbird, black-collared hawk, burrowing owl, bullfinch, broad-tailed hummingbird, broad-billed sandpiper, bridled tern, bobolink, blue-throat, blue-throated toucan, blue-throated hummingbird, blue-tailed bee-eater, blue-headed parrot, blue-gray tanager, blue-footed booby, blue-crowned motmot, blue-cheeked bee-eater, black-tailed train-bearer moth, black-necked swan, black-legged kittiwake, black-fronted piping guan, black-faced ibis, black-faced grassquit, black